be-bless din ako sa'yo.
Thank you.
Pwede ba atak po ni Ninong sa kasal?
Kakasal pa kita.
Maganda yan. Okay po, palapa po natin. Yorme.
Thank you, thank you. Daming tinira. Energy drink. I'm really excited with our host because giving good vibes and energy to the upcoming event in the city of Manila. But before I continue, I'd like to recognize our able, beautiful, talented Vice Mayor Chi. Kayo po'y binabati ko at malugod na welcome sa lungsod ng Maynila. And especially, Manila, dami ng nasawya. In fact, marami atang mga naging national artists based, started, if not based, but started in Manila. At malugod ko po kayong welcome, isa sa mga national treasure in an industry who gave me opportunity to better my life. Entertainment industry, in this case, music. And music can uplift us. So your creation will be part of the next generation. Mr. Ryan Cayabyab, palapakan natin. Si Geneva naman, ito, ang pamilya nito, taga Maynila. Mga batang Maynila to. Just so you know, for the public's information. And there is what you call Tirso Cruz Compound, or the Cruz Compound in Gagalangin, Tondo, where the family of Geneva, malaki yung pamilya sila, maraming sanga-sanga in Gagalangin. Hanggang ngayon, magpasa hanggang ngayon, madadaanan niyo pa yung compound nila. Miss Geneva Cruz, and equally talented Regine Tolentino. May asin ko. Talagang mga ta-artists ang datingan. But I'm happy to see you guys. Na mga one way or another ay nakasama ko sila sa television, live show and tape show. And lalo na, ito sayang, hindi ako na-direct eh. Pero magaling na direktor ng ating bansa at magaling na aktor ng ating bansa. Director Ruel. To Miss Princess Galura, President and General Manager, Sunrise. To the Sunrise family.
Yes po.
Thank you very much.
Marami po sila dyan.
Choosing Manila. At sa iyong mga kasamahan, pinagpapasalamat ko on behalf of the people of Manila. And I'm happy that ASICS, how you pronounce it, is supporting the event. And AIA. Yan ang mga taga-AIA, ASICS. Basta maganda ASICS. Iyon. But thank you very much. Sa lahat sa inyo, sa Sunrise, maraming salamat. At sa lahat ng mga hindi ko binati, binabati ko po kayo. Again, we would like to welcome you to the city of Manila. Napakagandang team ng rock and roll event sa Manila ngayon. Sarili natin. Done, created, made by national treasure, national artist, Ryan Cayabyab. And it speaks also of our commitment in promoting the city of Manila, not only as capital, but the place to go with regard to culture, arts, now sports. Kasi kami mayaman sa kasaysayan. And you can see on your left side, on the left side of this stage, the logo that we created for our tourism campaign. Manila, My Manila. Sabi ni Ryan Cayabyab, national artist, sariling atin. Manila, My Manila is created by another national artist, Nick Potin, in his book, Manila, My Manila. Why we adopted this? simply because of your presence today. You may not be, hindi man kayo taga Maynila, pero one way or another, meron kayong istoryang kwento, a story to tell about the city of Manila. And most, if not all, yung mga taga Metro Manila, iba pang bahagi ng bansa, ay nagtungo sa Manila upang mag-aral. So sila yung may karanasan, may kwentong Maynila. So that's why we wanted to share. We Manileños, nowadays, hindi na namin ito tinatawag na Manila, Manileño kami. No, everyone is Manileño. Because everyone has a story. As you can see in the pictures above me, when you look around, pag yan ay tinignan ninyo, halos yan ay kasaysayan ng buong bansa. And most of it in that painting of national artist Botong Francisco is did happen in Manila. Kasaysayan ng bansa, kasaysayan ng syudad ng Manila. That's why I would like to share Manila to any John Does and Mary, foreigners and Filipino, fellow Filipinos. Welcome po kayo lagi sa lungsod ng Manila. Ito ay timbulan ng pag-asa. Oportunidad, kultura, tradisyon, at maaaring totoo na ang Maynila ay luma. Pero yan ang kalamangan namin. Sa bawat gusali, at tulad na nasabi ng ating mo, sa bawat kanto, Eskinita Boulevard, highway ng lungsod na ito, may kwentong dala sa bawat tao at sa susunod na henerasyon. Kaya, in our own little way as your city government, kahit kami luma, pinipilit namin itong maging maaliwalas at tanatan. In fact, about an hour ago, we just posted another milestone with regard to the new policy of the City of Manila sa mga negosyante. We just posted a 3.3 billion worth of new businesses registered in the City of Manila, on top of whatever we have already. So that's 3.3 billion. Imagine if all local government units at 1,600 LGUs in the country doing the same, or at the very least, 200 plus highly urbanized cities like Manila. Diba? Sabihin, kapag nagtulong-tulong tayo, nagsama-sama tayo, and collaborate with the private sectors, ay patuloy na gagaang ang pamumuhay at magbibigay ng oportunidad sa ating mga mga. But for now, what we wanted to do is to really give opportunity for our people to work. And one of the driving factor for jobs creation or growth is tourism. There is science on it. Lahat ng ekonomista will agree with us. In every tourist that we create that will visit Manila, domestic or foreign, it creates opportunity or jobs to our fellow Manileños. Kaya masigasig po committed buong kababaang loob na kayo'y malugod naming tinatanggap sa aming lungsod. At pumasa kayo, gusto ninyo, linggo-linggo na kayong tumakbo rito sa Maynila, magsawa kayo. As long as you bring business, you bring opportunity, and showcase the history, culture, tradition of our city. Now, let me add, pagkayari ba, sana sa iba pang bagay ay makasama namin kayo. Marami pa kaming may aalay or we can offer to the people. And for the meantime, I would like to our sponsors, to our participants, to everyone here, thank each and every one of you for doing this and believing again in Manila. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat at pagpalain nawa kayo ng buong Manila. Thank you.